Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. The 2025 Ford Focus RS has a bold, sporty look with aerodynamic improvements over previous models. Right away, you'll notice a more aggressive front end, featuring a larger grille and slim, angular LED headlights that give it a sharper, more dynamic appearance. The hood has subtle sculpting that hints at the power under the surface, while the front bumper includes air intakes that improve both cooling and aerodynamics. Along the sides, sleek lines lead your eye toward a bold rear spoiler and diffuser, all designed to reduce drag and keep the RS grounded at high speeds. Ford offers a range of eye-catching colors that really complement its sporty vibe, with the signature nitrous blue as a standout option for RS fans. Inside, Ford has made the RS as driver-centric as possible. The cabin features sporty Recaro seats that provide both comfort and support, perfect for spirited driving or long commutes. The materials throughout the interior are high quality, with soft touch surfaces and a minimalist yet functional design. Ford has equipped the RS with a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster and an updated infotainment system with a 13.2-inch touchscreen. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and includes a built-in navigation system that's easy to use. Ford's Sync 4 interface is quick and responsive, giving you all the information and entertainment options you need right at your fingertips. Plus, with the optional Bang & Olufsen premium audio system, your favorite tunes will sound fantastic no matter where you're driving. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the 2025 Focus RS really shines. This model comes with a 2.3-litre turbocharged EcoBoost engine that pushes out a remarkable 400 horsepower and 425 pounds-to-feet of torque. Ford has paired this engine with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, allowing for quick, seamless shifts. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, there's also a 6-speed manual option, which really gives the RS a classic feel for enthusiasts who want to be fully in control. This engine and transmission combo makes the RS incredibly quick, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 4.5 seconds. That's impressive for a compact car, putting it right up there with some serious performance vehicles. Of course, all that power would be hard to handle without an advanced all-wheel drive system, and Ford has equipped the RS with an upgraded version of its intelligent AWD. This system continuously adjusts torque between the front and rear axles and even between the rear wheels, giving the RS superb traction and cornering capability. Whether you're driving in wet conditions or taking on tight corners, the AWD system makes the RS feel planted and responsive. And for those who want even more control, the RS features multiple driving modes, including normal, sport, track, and drift mode. Yes, drift mode is back, allowing you to slide around in a controlled way for a little extra fun on the track. The handling of the Focus RS has always been a strong point, and Ford has fine-tuned it even more for 2025. The RS features an advanced suspension setup with electronically adjustable dampers that allow you to choose between comfort and performance settings. Car reviews, and let us know in the comments. So what do you think of the new Focus RS? Could you see yourself driving one? Or is there another performance car that's caught your eye? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and have fun out there.